Yes, sir. Baby! Whoa! He doesn't move, I'm gonna hit him. Woo! Oh, it's Brian!
You don't ride like that, they won't do that. He's a dumbass.
What the fuck? Ah! That shit was wet! Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Non-Stop Shenanigans. We're my boy Wiley, and we're out here causing some more trouble. Why are we breaking? Oh, wait, do I know that guy? He was just waving to us. What's up, bro? I don't know who that was. I don't know what he wanted either, but we're passing him. Oh, we're slowing down. There's the Sacramento Zoo. Hey, this is where I used to live. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna go pass by my old apartment. See how it's doing over there. This guy's gonna try to get me. Look. Get out of here. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, it's getting kind of hot. Yeah, get out of here. This mother, I seen him in my mirror. Fuck you. I can't believe he did that. Sneaking around my bike like that. That's my apartment. Oh, my traction control turned on. He turned off my bike. Motherfucker. Alright, we're turning right here. Hello, good sir. He didn't look very happy. Damn, all these green lights. I'm trying to stop so I can turn my traction control off, but I can't. Yeah, boy. Damn, that boy's hella fast. Left me behind. Uh-oh. That's pretty comfortable. And stop. Traction control off now. Look at that Z. I really like that color. Maybe I'm biased. Yeah, baby! Give me all thumbs up. That guy's on his phone. Yep. Oh, it's cold. I'm gonna get him. He has no idea I'm gonna get him right now. Oh. What? Huh? What? I don't know what this fool was saying. Oh yeah! Oh, stop it. There's a puppy in that truck. Oh! Oh my god. Oh, that was pretty good. Chick-fil-A. I see it. It's where we're going. Oh, Chick-fil-A, I'm ready for you. We were out riding the other day. We were like, oh yeah, let's go get some Chick-fil-A. So we get on our bikes. Oh, you can't park there, my boy. We got on our bikes. We're out here riding, like, we're gonna go get some Chick-fil-A. I'm like, how do we get there from here? And I look it up on the maps, and it's fucking closed because it was fucking Sunday. We were all excited. So now that it's not Sunday, we're riding again, and we're getting some fucking Chick-fil-A. Oh, that was neutral. Where are we going? Alright guys, we just sat down and ate. We were just talking to our boy Brianontwowheels, as you guys know him. I think he's just getting back from the gym, so we're gonna go meet up with him. Whoa! So we're gonna go meet up with Brian and we're gonna go ride around some more. I guess we gotta go on the freeway though. I'm not a big fan of the freeway. It's windy and loud. You guys can't hear me as well. I can't hear me as well. There's never a good time. Oh, and it's colder too. Let's go down there. Oh my god, what is this guy doing? Come on! Let's go. This works out. We were supposed to take that exit back there, but we get to ride through downtown now, so. Oh, it's Brian! Damn it. Now I gotta find him this way. Come on. And yo! I was not gonna cut off all those cars. There they are, the boys. Yeah. Oh my god, it's a red light. What are you looking at? Oh! What's up, bro? Maybe it was meant to be. Hey, flex for us. Flex. Okay. Tweedledee.
Hey, if you don't ride like that, they won't do that. I ride too. A lot of people are stupid. Dude.
Hey, no, I know. I mean, it's my fault. I was going too fast.
He's a dumbass.
Yeah, I know. I'm not gonna go talk shit, but I'll give him a little, tease him a little bit.
Be safe, guys.
Yeah, you too. Whoa, 5-0. It's okay. He didn't see us doing wheelies. Oh, this is the wrong way. Wait, I mean, it's technically not the wrong way because I don't really know where I'm going. Oh my God, the two guys behind me have the loudest exhausts. This guy. What the fuck was that? That looked crazy. Hey, that looked kind of cool. Ah, we're stopping. Dang. Alright, I don't like this road. There's too much traffic. I don't know where to go, but I don't want to be here. Look at this guy. Let's see what's this way. Puppy! Baby! Hello, sir. Someone else lead. I don't want to lead.
Trying to get some Dutch Bros.
Dutch Bros? Yeah, where? Thank you, sir. Look at my mirror. It's so floppy. Alright, so we found Brian. And then we pulled over again because we didn't know where we were going. We decided we're going to Dutch Bros. We're going to the new Dutch Bros. I think it just opened, like, this week. It said they opened this week, but when you look it up on maps, it says they're closed still. So I don't know what to trust, but we're just gonna go anyways and we're gonna find out. Because if it's not, then it's not, and we'll just go somewhere else. Oh, that hurt. This kid in this car in front of me is staring at me. You can see him in the mirror. China's calling me. Get out of here, China. Okay, that cop just turned. That means we can go fast again. Whoa, buddy. All right, get out of here, Maps. I must say, I'm not a fan of all this traffic. I mean, it's fine when I'm by myself. I can just kind of zip through. Oh my God, why are we stopping? Come on, lady. Too much traffic. Oh my God, Brian's bike is so loud too. Usually I'm just with Wiley, but God damn. That girl's on her phone. Ouch, that hurt. Yes, sir. Try this again. Fuck yeah, boy. That shit was wet. Turn right here. And then right again. I almost just died. That was hella scary. I hurt my knee too. Oh my God, it's not open. All right, I was wrong. The place isn't open. Did you see me almost die?
Yeah.
Just now?
Yeah. I looked back at it and I was like,
I hurt my knee. Yeah, the Dutch Bros is that building right there.
it was not even built yet.
No.
Oh my God.
But there's another one. So let's do crack. Look how cool this guy thinks he is. What the This guy. That looks wet. What is that? Is it wet? This is wet. Are you leaking oil? Ah, just hit me. I stalled. Alright, so I was wrong about that other Dutch Bros. It is close. So we're going to another one. We're going to this one. I think it's near IKEA. Cop check. Cop check. I don't see any cops. Oh, there's hair in my eyes. I think I look mad. There it is. It looks pretty open to me. It kind of looks dead, but it does look open. It's open. Can we get in from this way? I don't think we can. Nope. There's trash. There's always trash on the ground. Oh my God, that was heavy. All right, guys, we made it to Dutch Bros, and now we're leaving. We still don't know where we're going, though. That was kind of hard. Ah! Oh, I really gotta pee though. Dutch Bros never has a bathroom, and that's what I need right now. Ah, my traction control's on. What street is that? Truxel? Damn it, I forgot to turn my traction control off. It might have been that way. I actually don't know. We wanted to go check out the old arena just to see what it looks like right now. Come on, light. You Tesla going before us. I keep forgetting to turn my traction control off. Oh my god, that's a lot of cars. Traction control is off. Yes, sir. Another light? Oh my god. Every single one. Ah! Ouch! There's something in my shoe. I don't know if we're going the right way. Why is he looking at me? What? I don't know what he's saying. Yeah, dude, I'm totally lost. I guess, I don't know, he wanted us to get over, but I don't know why. Where is he taking us? Oh, he might need gas. Ah! I just hit that with my mirror. Are we getting gas? Is that what he needs? Oh my god, the slowest. What is he doing? I'm gonna stop here because I need to go to the bathroom. I'll be back. This guy. Is that a bike? Ew. Ew. What can I mess with up here? Pressing all your buttons. Let's go. My traction control, because I stopped. Look at him way over there, going the wrong way. All right, now where is it? Got his ass. I had to check my map again because I thought I was going the right. I thought I was going the right way, but apparently not. Oh, we passed it? All right, I need to look this up. My gloves aren't working as well as I want them to. All right, is it this light it wants me to turn at? Oh my god, that did not do what I wanted it to. No, it's the next one. You fucker. Come here, Brian. Come here. Ah, he's leaving us. Oh my god, gravel! Ah! Oh, that hurt. Come on, Brian. And balance. Oh, Brian's scared. He's scared of getting pulled over. All right, we made it. This is the old part of the old arena. Oh my god. Off-roading is a must. Wonderful. Well, here it is. Here's the old arena. It doesn't really exist anymore. We could easily fit in there, but we're not trying to get in trouble, so we're not going to go all the way in there. But this is it. It's all flat now. I think it's more back there, but still, there's nothing much to see out here. I think this is going to be it for today, guys. Appreciate you coming out. Say bye to Brian. Say bye, Brian. Say bye, Mr. Wiley. Say bye. What a bitch. What a bitch. All right, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. I'm gonna hit him. I'm gonna hit him. If he doesn't move, I'm gonna hit him. I tried.